Welcome to our channel. Today, we're presenting a new and easy way to follow along with recipes, making it simple and straightforward without the need to be in the kitchen. Our focus today is on a classic dessert that's always a hit, blueberry cobbler. This version is not only delicious, but also easy to prepare, making it perfect for any occasion. Let's begin by discussing the ingredients you'll need. We're using 4 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of granulated sugar divided into 2 parts, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of melted unsalted butter, and half cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees or 109 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine the blueberries with the lemon juice and half a cup of sugar. Stir everything together until the blueberries are well coated, then set this mixture aside for now. Next, we'll move on to the dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, salt, and the remaining half cup of sugar. Stir these dry ingredients together until they are evenly combined. Now, in a separate bowl, combine the melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract. Pour this wet mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients and stir until everything is just combined. The result should be a thick batter. Once the batter is ready, it's time to assemble the cobbler. Pour the blueberry mixture into a greased baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Then, spoon the batter over the blueberries, covering as much of the fruit as possible. Place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the blueberries are bubbling around the edges. Once the cobbler is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This cooling time allows the juices to thicken, making it easier to serve. Now, your blueberry cobbler is ready to enjoy. You can serve it warm, either on its own or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra treat. This recipe is a simple and satisfying way to enjoy a classic dessert. Thank you for following along with this blueberry cobbler recipe. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes. I'd love to hear how your cobbler turned out, so feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other dessert ideas you'd like to see. See you in the next video.